my alternator's gone bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace an alternator on a 2001 Tahoe. 2 screws, flathead screwdriver. Disconnect our battery. Okay. Here, we take the belt off. Just like that. Then there's these 2 bolts. You're gonna need something to unwedge it, or de-wedge it. That is a screwdriver, not. Maybe get your tire iron. Okay, kind of. Potato. So take this to the store, get yourself a new one. Hopefully you have a warranty, and they'll give you one right away. Nope, nothing. Just take it and get it. Son of a bitch.